Making complaints. Situation 1. Asking the neighbor not to make noise. Hi, excuse me, your music is so loud. Can you keep it down? I have to go to work at 6 a.m. tomorrow. My music is fine. It's my birthday party. If you don't turn it down, I will call security. Go ahead. You're being selfish. I will call them right away. Hi, is this the building security?
Yes, what can I help you with?
I'm Sharon. I'm a resident of this building. I live on the 16th floor and I want to report a problem.
Yes, can you be more specific?
My neighbor is playing music so loud.
Okay, calm down, madam. What are your neighbors' names and their house number?
I don't know her name, but her house number is 1602.
Had you spoken to her about this problem?
Yes, and she said because it was her birthday, but I have to get up early tomorrow.
I understand. Our building policy doesn't allow residents to play music loudly.
I believe other people who live on our floor feel uncomfortable too.
Yes, madam. Don't worry, I will make a report and I will get there myself to talk to her. Your problem will be solved very soon.
That would be nice. Thank you so much.
It's my duty, madam. Good night.
You too. Situation 2. Complaining about internet services.
Hello, ABC Internet Customer Service. I'm Derek. How can I help you with it?
Hi, I want to register a complaint about my internet service.
I'm sorry to hear that. What has been the problem?
My connection has been repeatedly dropping out, and when it is connected, the speeds are very slow, which has never happened before.
Can you be more specific about this problem?
Well, we cannot use the internet for texting or using Google.
May I ask if you have paid the bill?
We have paid the bills since we received the mail.
Well, we have been receiving many reports about the internet speed lately because our company is understaffed due to COVID.
I see. I wonder if you can send people to come over and help to check?
Can I have your client number, please?
Yes. My client number is 7654005.
Okay. I'll get a technician to come to your house and take a look, and hopefully can speed up the internet soon.
How much does it cost?
No, ma'am. It is still within the warranty period, so there is no charge at all.
Can they install a new cable for me, please? Because mine is old.
I can see what I can do, ma'am, because installing cables can take time, and I'm not sure if we can do it tomorrow.
Okay, how soon can they come out?
I can get someone out there between 8 a.m. and 12 a.m. tomorrow. Will someone be at home at the time?
Yes, I will be home.
Okay, our technician will arrive sometime between 8 a.m. and 12 a.m. tomorrow.
Thank you. I'll see them tomorrow. Situation 3. Complaint about a defective product. Good morning. I'm Wendy. What can I help you with? Hi. Sorry to bother you, but I'm afraid I have a problem with one of your products. I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me which product and what's happened? So I bought this beautiful yellow dress yesterday, but when I got home, I found out that the armpit is torn. I see. Do you have the price tag or the receipt? No, but I just bought it yesterday at your store. We always say that the customers have to carefully check the products before deciding to buy. I didn't examine it carefully, but can I return it or exchange it for a new one? I'm afraid there isn't much we can do about it because you don't have the receipt. This is a lovely dress, but I can't wear it like this. I'd like to speak to the manager, please.
Hi, I'm John, the manager. What can I help you with?
I want to exchange this dress that I bought here yesterday, but I don't have the receipt.
Our policy doesn't allow the customers to return or exchange the products without the receipt. But I have checked the security camera and I saw you were here yesterday, so you may exchange for a new one.
Thank you so much.
I'm so sorry. This will never happen again. Have a good day.
You too. Situation 4. Complaint at the restaurant.
Hi, excuse me. Are you the restaurant manager? Yes, I'm Nick. What can I help you with?
I'm afraid there is a slight problem with the service in this restaurant.
Oh, what is it about?
Your waiters and waitresses are apparently ignoring us. We waited so long for the menu and no one came.
Well, I'm really sorry to hear that. We are committed to giving better service than that. Can I take your order now?
Can I have 2 pasta and pizzas, please?
Sure.
Excuse me, I have been waiting for 30 minutes. Where is our food?
I'm sorry. I will be right back with your order.
This is unacceptable.
It's Sunday, so our restaurant is crowded.
But it's not an excuse for bad service.
I understand. Can I offer you a 10% discount as an apology?
Thank you. I hope this problem will never occur again. Situation 5. Complaint about a colleague.
Hi, sir, do you have time to talk? Yes, come in, Mike. What do you want to talk about? Thank you, sir. Before I begin, I want you to know that I'm not here to vent. I'm here to find a solution. I need your help. Okay, what is this about?
It's Dave. He has a bad behavior when working with the team.
Dave Stinson?
Yes, don't get me wrong. He is good at his job, but some of the things he does bring negative vibes to the office.
Last week, Anne from your team mentioned some kind of conflict. What happened?
He speaks extremely rudely and irresponsibly. It's very unprofessional, and it affects other people.
Really? Can you be more specific?
Whenever he is mean to other people and doesn't respect their opinions, I feel uncomfortable.
Does this issue happen a lot?
This situation has come up several times. I respect Dave, and I love being part of this team, but I want to resolve this before it turns into a bigger problem.
Have you tried to talk to him?
I've tried it, but that didn't have the effect I was hoping for.
Okay, fill this form to report, and can you invite another member of your team to come here and fill the form? Then I will send it to Human Resources.
I'm hoping that they might be willing to offer some guidance, perhaps being in an outside mediator or conflict resolution specialist.
I will see what I can do. Thank you for your report.
Thank you, sir. I will come back to work. Situation 6. Piper complained to her boyfriend because he was busy, so he couldn't go to her mother's birthday party. Hey Jason, my mother's birthday is next Friday. Can you go with me?
I'm afraid I have to work on Friday.
It's her 60th birthday, and I haven't been home for a long time.
I know, honey. I will come and visit her on the weekend.
Please, just take a day off. My mother is excited to meet you.
I'm sorry, honey. I have 2 important meetings that day. I can't come with you.
But I already told her that you would come.
You should have asked me first.
I thought you would make time for me when I need you.
I'm sorry. I have a lot of work to do lately. I'm only free on weekends.
You always work too much.
Because I want to have a promotion. I have a promising career.
But can you spend more time with me? I feel lonely.
I will invite her to come over and have dinner on Sunday to make it up to her.
Okay, I will talk to her.
Thank you for understanding.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.